When your marriage comes to a dead end, divorce might be the final choice. All parents may worry about their future life and the custody arrangement, but the thing concerns them most might be how the children will face the divorce. This video presents psychological effects of divorce on children and parenting strategies to help kids adjust to the changes. The first year after divorce. This is the most struggling time for the kids as they may suffer distress, anger, anxiety, and disbelief. Resilient children recover quickly and adjust accordingly to changes in their daily routine, and they grow comfortable with their living arrangements. Others, however, never really seem to go back to normal. This small percentage of children may experience ongoing, possibly even lifelong problems after their parents' divorce. Emotional impact. The influence of divorce on children varies according to their age. Young children may be submerged in the fear that if their parents can stop loving one another, that someday their parents may stop loving them. Grade school may blame themselves for the divorce. They may fear they misbehaved, or they may assume they did something wrong. Teenagers may feel angry and struggle to get used to the changes. They may blame one parent for the dissolution of the marriage, or they may resent one or both parents for the upheaval in the family. Every situation is unique. In extreme circumstances, a child may feel relieved by the separation if a divorce means fewer arguments and less stress. Stressful events. After divorce, children often lose daily contact and feel less close with one parent, frequently fathers. Divorce also affects a child's relationship with the custodial parent, most often mothers, due to the stress of single parenting. According to a study in 2013, mothers are often less supportive and less affectionate after divorce. Additionally, their discipline becomes less consistent and less effective. For some children, the worst part of divorce is not parental separation, but the accompanying stressors. Changing schools, moving to a new home, and living with a single parent who feels a little more frazzled are just a few of the additional stressors that make divorce difficult. Financial hardships are also common following divorce. Many families have to move to smaller homes or change neighborhoods, and they often have fewer material resources. Problems with remarriage. The change in family dynamics may confuse and frighten the child, as he doesn't know how to respond or even face the truth. The addition of a step-parent and possibly several step-siblings can be another big adjustment. And quite often both parents remarry, which means many changes for kids. In fact, second marriages are more likely to fail than the first ones. So many children experience multiple separations and divorces over the years. Mental health and behavior problems. Children from divorced families are highly prone to psychological problems, regardless of age, gender, and culture. They may experience more externalizing problems, such as conduct disorders, delinquency, and impulsive behavior than kids from two-parent families. Besides, these children may also experience more conflict with peers after a divorce. Academic performance. Children of divorced parents don't always perform as well at school, especially if the divorce was unexpected. Whereas children from families where the divorce was likely didn't have the same outcome, according to a study in 2019. Likelihood to take risks. Adolescents from divorced families are more likely to engage in substance use and early sexual activity. They may also drink alcohol and smoke earlier than their peers. Adolescents whose parents divorced when they were 5 years old or younger were at particularly high risk for becoming sexually active prior to the age of 16, according to a study published in 2010. Separation from fathers has also been associated with higher numbers of sexual partners during adolescence. Problems extending into adulthood. These children may encounter relationship difficulties when they are grown up, and their divorce rates are higher too. Therefore, parents play a major role in how children adjust to a divorce. Following are some strategies. Co-parent peacefully, seek professional help if necessary. Don't put kids in the middle. Let them choose which side to stand and don't ask them to give messages to the other parent. Maintain a healthy relationship with your child. Positive communication, parental warmth, and low levels of conflict may help children adjust to divorce better. Use consistent discipline. Establish age-appropriate rules and follow through with consequences when necessary. Monitor adolescents closely. This will help reduce the chance of using substances and fewer academic problems. Empower your child. Teach your child that although dealing with divorce is difficult, he has the mental strength to handle it. Teach specific coping skills, especially ways to manage thoughts, feelings, and behaviors healthily. Help your child feel safe and secure. This reduces the risk of mental health problems. Attend a parent education program to learn co-parenting skills and strategies for helping kids cope with the adjustments. Seek professional help for yourself to reduce your stress level. Would it be better for the kids if you try to save your broken marriage? The answer would be no, because children who live in homes with a lot of arguing, hostility and discontentment may be at a higher risk for developing mental health issues and behavior problems. However, if you two can stay calm and settle things down, don't take divorce as a priority. When should you seek professional help for your child? Struggling with feelings and behavior is normal, but if your child's mood issues or behavioral problems persist, you need to talk to your child's pediatrician. Discuss your concerns and inquire about whether your child may need professional support. A referral to talk therapy or other supportive services may be recommended. Both individual and family may be necessary to help the child settle his emotions and deal with the changes in family dynamics. Some communities also offer support groups for kids. Support groups allow kids in certain age groups to meet with other children who may be experiencing similar changes in family structure. Are you a single parent? Do you have any advice to help children suffering from divorced families cope with it? Tell us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and share it with your friends.